Hello everyone. Um, my name is Dmitry Tumasov. You can call me Dima. It will be easier for you to pronounce and to remember. I represent the Russian company Techno-AC. We're based in Kolomna, Moscow region, and I'm going to tell you today about our water leak detectors, acoustic water leak detectors. Before we begin, I want you to type in plus into chat box if you hear me and if the sound quality and video quality is good and you can understand everything. And we will wait for some other participants to join and we'll move on. Please type plus symbol if you can hear me. Okay. Only 3 pluses out of 7 people. Okay, 4 pluses. I'll write a message for those who can't hear me. Okay, other participants will join us later. So, as I said, I represent Techno-AC company. We are located in Russia, Moscow region, 100 kilometers from Moscow, in small town Kolomna. We've been working for 25 years now. This last year was our 25th year of operation, and we started with infrared pyrometers, and now we produce cable and pipe locating equipment, water leak detection equipment, and test vents. We also produce cable fault location equipment and supply the equipment of other vendors. So first thing I want to tell you is that today we're going to talk about the acoustic leak detectors. They are mostly used outdoors to locate the acoustic noise of the water or gas running out of pipes. It doesn't matter what pipe is this. It can be metal or non-metal pipe, but we will get to it later. So as you can see on the following slide, we have our own development, research and development office. We have production office. We have quality assurance department, and all software and hardware of our products is homemade. We construct our products on our own, so all the elements are produced by us. I will switch to the next slide, and this is our main topic, is leak detectors. All our leak detectors are based on one particular instrument. It is multifunctional utility location receiver AP027. It's a multifunctional device that allows to perform various functions by connecting external sensors to it. So you can plug in any sensor, and it can be a cable locator, or it can be cable fault locator, or even water leak detector. So there are not so much ready sets of water leak detectors. There are only 4 as far as I remember, and we will see all of them today together. Okay, we're moving further. First of all, I'd like to step on the technical specifications of our AP027 receiver. First of all, as I said, it's a multifunctional digital utility location receiver. It is IP54 protected. It works in ambient temperatures from -20 to +50 degrees Celsius, and it operates from 4 AA batteries for 20 hours. It's a pretty long uptime, and it has several unique features. First of all, several unique features which are important for acoustic water leak detection. It can transmit several types of noise. You can hear direct acoustic noise, you can hear synthesized sound and filtered signal. So for every type of application of this receiver, you can get your own type of sound in your headphones. Unfortunately, this receiver doesn't show the depth and other parameters of the pipe. It shows only the signal of the leakage, of the noise of the leakage, and of running water. And it can represent this value in several types of indication. I will show you them later in a minute. So this receiver has gain factor 120 decibels, and all variations of this receiver come with headphones, and this receiver has also one unique feature. You can adjust the filters of the noise. So the method of water leak detection is the following. First, you enable the broadband mode of your receiver, and then you cut off the distorted sound of surrounding cars, people, etc., and you can hear only the noise of the leakage in your headphones. And by the indication which is shown on the screen, you need to locate the spot with maximum signal, and it will be the spot of your leakage. So as I said earlier, the unique feature of this receiver is three kinds of indication. First of all, bar graph window, the second one is graph window, and the third one is spectrum window. These three indications represent the same information, but in different ways. Someone prefers graph window, someone prefers spectrum window. For beginners, we advise to use the first bar graph mode. As you can see on the upper side of the screen, you can see the frequency graph. It will help you to cut off the frequencies and to hear only the sound of the leakage. I told about it to you earlier. You can also see the volume control and the gain factor and the gain value. This bar represents the useful signal of the leakage, and this bar is representing the emission, the moving cars, not constant sound of surroundings. So in ideal situation, you have to cut off and leave only the useful constant signal of your leakage. It's a part of location method. Okay, we'll move further. This receiver AP027 also has built-in memory function. Unfortunately, this memory is erased every time you turn off your receiver. But while using it and while it is turned on, you can write down all the measurements you're performing on one utility. So after surveying the utility, you can look through all your readings and locate the spot with maximum signal. It will be the spot with your leakage. This feature is very handy. We use it constantly because in Russia we do not mark the utilities. We just surveying them and then looking through the readings of the device. Okay, first set of water leak detectors by Techno-AC is water leak detector Success AT407N. It's the most basic set and it mostly used for outdoors and indoors water leak detection. It consists of the receiver AP027, the acoustic sensor AD227, and the headphones. The color and the type of headphones may differ from time to time. We're constantly looking for better solutions and for better headphones. What is so special about this device? First of all, it has a ready to go this full set. It has the charger, holder, accumulators, operation manual in English, and English passport for the device. So you have all you need for work, for your warranty operations, and for full support. This device can locate water leaks from pipes up to 6-meter depth. It can also locate the leaks inside the house. You can just press it against the wall and hear through the sound of leakage in your headphones. Of course, all the signal indications will be available and will be usable during this operation. This device works under asphalt and concrete covers, under soft soil or snow, and I want you to pay attention to the following picture. It describes our accessory which comes with this set. This is special rod, magnetic rod, which helps you to stick your acoustic sensor into sand, into snow, and into soft soil in order to acquire better signal. This thing is very helpful and it helps to locate the leaks more precisely in certain conditions. Here is the better picture of the set of acoustic sensor. And this leak detector also has two ways of carrying the acoustic sensor. It has hard handle and soft wire of the acoustic sensor. You can carry it as you wish. It's pretty multifunctional device and it has built-in LCD display with backlight. It's very handy in dark conditions. As I said, this device has built-in memory for 31 signal levels, so you can store 31 signals, 31 writings while you operate this device. This device is very light. It comes with special accessory which helps you to carry it on your chest, but in most cases it's not necessary and you can carry the receiver and the acoustic sensor just in your hands. It's very light and it's something like 1.5 kilograms. You can, if you need to locate the leakages for a long time, you can use a special carrying device for your chest. I suppose there will be some pictures. Yes, you can see on this photo a person working with this device is having a special accessory which is trained to his neck, and the receiver lays on this accessory and helps him to carry the device easier. This thing is our unique feature, and most of our clients appreciate it because the pipes are very long in Russia, here in Russia, and sometimes you have to operate for a long time. Then our leak detector AT407N is optioned with electromagnetic sensor, and this set is called Water Leak Detector Success ATP434. It is a more multifunctional device. It is based on the leak detector AT407N, but it has an electromagnetic sensor. What for do we use this electromagnetic sensor? First of all, you can use it before your water leak detection to locate the cables, 50 or 60 Hertz energized cables in the area of your operation. It is helpful before excavation works, before you are going to dig for your leakage, and it is used for locating the cathodic protection of some pipes. You know that some pipes are buried with satellite cable to locate the pipe. Sometimes it's a plastic pipe, and a small amount of current is leaking through these cables, and you can locate them with this particular device. This device also detects all energized utilities up to 6-meter depth, and also, as I said earlier, it can locate water leakages in-house and outdoors. There is one feature of this set. It is called indirect measurement of the depth. It's a pretty complicated method of depth measurement. Unfortunately, as I said earlier, the receiver doesn't show the numeric indication of the depth, but there is a way to measure the approximate depth of your utility. For more information, please refer to the manual of this particular set. The method of depth measurement is written there. Okay, we're moving to our next water leak detection set, and now it is called Water Leak Detector and Cable and Pipe Locator Success AG 435.15N. It's a more universal set which allows you to detect not only energized cables and pipes, but also all metal utilities underground. It also works up to 6 meters, and it has a supplied mobile transmitter. It's a 20 watts transmitter, and it is used to create a signal in the de-energized metal utility. You can locate cables, you can locate pipes, you can connect directly to the utility, or you can create signal via built-in inductive antenna. This transmitter has built-in inductive antenna, so you don't need to connect every time directly to the utility to locate it. It's very handy. So this set will allow you to locate the utility, to survey the utility, and if it is pipe, if it is metal pipe, you can locate leakages and locate any other obstacles before digging out, any metal objects before digging out the leakage. I must say that this transmitter allows to trace the utility up to 3 kilometers, so you can use it for long distance cable and pipe location. So it's a more universal, multifunctional solution, and you can use it both for cable and pipe location and for water leak detection. But sometimes your pipe is not made of metal, and it can be plastic, PVC, ABS, anything. In these cases, we have an ultimate solution, and it is called metal and non-metal pipeline locator with water leak detection function success TPT 522N. So this solution is made with more powerful generator AG144, and it is supplied with the handy thing called UM112, as far as I remember. This thing is mounted on the plastic pipe with a chain, and it creates an impact. It works like hammer, but doesn't damage the pipe. It is very handy. I personally used it on some tests and on some field works, and it shows itself very good. It is commonly used outdoors and to trace the pipes which are coming from the basement of house outdoors. So you connect this thing to the pipe in your basement, for example, and then you use acoustic sensor and your headphones to trace the impact signal outdoors. It is very handy, and remember that we have the spectre indication in our AP027 receiver, so you will hear and you will see on the screen of the device the distinct indication of the impact. And sometimes, not always, I'd like to highlight that sometimes you can trace up to 150 meters of pipe using this method. It's not always necessary to do so, and there are many conditions that affect the distance of location. But in ideal conditions, as we call it, when the soil is soft, when there are no surrounding noise, you can get pretty good results of acoustic tracing of this impact signal. So I told you that AG144 allows to trace the utilities up to 5 kilometers, and also, as all previous sets, this set TPT522N allows to locate the utilities up to 6 meters depth. It's as I called it earlier, it's an ultimate solution for cable and pipe location. Unfortunately, the transmitter supplied with this set does not have built-in antenna, so we supply our own inductive antenna for indirect connection to the utility. So you have all you need to locate the pipe, to locate the leakage, and to survey the area and to find everything you need. Moreover, this receiver supplies the connection of external sensors. I know that's not the exact topic of our meeting today, but I must say that you can connect cable insulation damage sensors, or in other words, you can perform cable fault location with this set, with some accessories of this set. So this was the most ultimate solution for cable and pipe location, and we're moving next to the description of this ultimate set. So you can see how the impact device is mounted on the pipe. There is a chain and there is some screws and nuts, and you just connect it and screw the impact device to your pipe, and the wire connects it to the transmitter. The transmitter gives the signal to impact device, and impact device strikes not the pipe but the bottom part of itself and transmits the sound signal through the pipe. It can be plastic or metal pipe, it doesn't matter. So on the picture 2 we can see a person locating a cable with this set. He uses headphones, holding device, receiver, and electromagnetic sensor. And first picture shows us an unfortunate water leak detection. This person has always been located in the water leakage. So he has acoustic sensor, headphones, and he listens to the noise of the leakage. I must say that our company is ISO certified. We did it last year, and now we are fully our company and all our products are fully ISO certified, so you don't have to worry about certification of our products. We have it. This is one of our favorite photos of our general director, of our chief manager, Sergeyevich, and he meets with former president of the Russian Federation, Dmitry Medvedev, and the mayor of Moscow, Sergei Sobyanin, and some other famous Russian politicians, and he is showing to them our devices. So our products is well known in the Russian Federation and outside our country, and they are much appreciated by the government and by government services and other companies. We also been the part of Skolkovo development, innovative development project. We were members of the Skolkovo residents, and this project was finished at the end of the last year, and maybe in short time we will show you the results of this work. I think I can tell you that we were developing the correlator water leak detector, and we just almost finished it, and we are planning to make a commercial sales version of this product by the end of the winter. I think in no time you will see it on our website, and who knows, maybe we'll perform another webinar regarding this special device. So this slide shows where in Russia and outside of it our devices are used. I can tell you that our devices are highly appreciated both in Russia and outside Russia, in Latin America, in Asia, in Europe, in Eastern countries, in Middle East. So you can find our devices in any part of the world, basically. Uh, not much of them, but there are some, and we are very proud of it. And for you, we want to tell you that we can ship our products worldwide. We use UPS. You will get your device safely and without any damages, and totally cleared by the customs. So we trust UPS, and you can also trust UPS. That's great, I think. So this is a small list of countries where we supplied our devices. It's not full. There are much more smaller countries where we supplied our devices, and I hope that this list will grow. It will get bigger, and maybe it will get bigger with your help. So this is the final slide of our webinar, and you can contact with my colleague Irina Tropina. She's in Moscow, and she can process all your requests. Starting from February, all your requests will be processed by me. So if you will have any questions regarding technical specifications, any sets, any accessories, I will be glad to help you. I'm working on consultant on our website, and Irina will be glad to tell you the prices, the supplement details, the UPS price for delivery. She's available via email or via Skype. Also, you can call her if you have enough money. It's kind of pricey, so I advise to use Skype instead. I must also say that you can contact me via email. I will write down it into chat. One moment. This is my email, dvt@technoac.ru. You can write me anytime. We can carry out the Skype demonstration of all our instruments. If you wish, we can show you the operation of any our device. We have a test polygon here outside our building, so you can request any technical information from me, any commercial information such as leaflets, brochures, user manuals, anything you want to know about our devices, you can request from me. I will be glad to help you. So if you have any questions, I will be glad to answer them right now. I have several in personal messages, and I will try to answer them right now. You can type in your questions in the chat box, and I will also reply to them. So Theodore asks, regarding the UM112, can it be used if the plastic water pipe is full of water? Yes, it can be used. It doesn't matter if your pipe has water or not having it, because the signal is transmitted through the pipe itself, and the sensor, acoustic sensor of the set is highly sensitive. So the sound will be not so loud, but the signal will be received by the sensor. It will be okay. Okay, so are there any questions? There is one more thing I'm going to tell you, is that the video of this webinar will be available on our YouTube channel. You can go to technoac.com and you'll see the YouTube link there in far right corner of our website, and you can you can go to our YouTube channel and look through this webinar again, and okay, and you can see all our videos and webinars there. Linda Robinson asks, I missed what you said about the new product. The connection keep getting lost. Yes, because of many visitors from different countries, there are maybe some connection problems. I told that during Skolkovo project, we developed a new product. It's a correlator. It's a water leak detector correlator, and we are going to produce a sales version of this product. It's not finished yet, but I hope that this year you will hear about it, and we will do our best to provide as much information about it as possible. So it will be a correlator. Okay, any other questions? While you think about your questions, I'll tell you another thing. It's a rare thing, but it can happen. You can travel here to Russia, and you can get a free training of using our instruments. As I said earlier, we have a test polygon here, and there were several cases when our partners, our friends from Greece and from Japan came here, and we trained them to use our cable locators and acoustic leak detectors. It is, of course, it is more expensive than using Skype, and it takes a lot of time, but it's the most effective way to learn more about our devices and to know how to work with them. Vas Alexander asks, gas leak H2 detector needed. Do you have them? Greetings from Estonia. Greetings from Russia, Alexander. Unfortunately, we do not produce and supply gas leak detectors right now. So I think you can leave a request. Here in Russia, we supply. So the Marcus produces the gas leak detectors, and he gives you a link to his website. You can look through it later. Thank you, Marcus. Okay, I think that that our webinar is going to an end, and I left you my email. I'll type in it one more time: dvt@technoac.ru. You can write me anytime, and if you have any questions left, I will be glad to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope the webinar and the topic was interesting to you. I hope that you will see our other webinars. By the way, we're going to have another webinar. I will notify you later on the 29th of January. We're going to have another webinar, and it will be about our cable and pipe locators. So it will be very interesting because we're going to talk about our GPS cable locators, and it will be very, very interesting. I hope to see all of you there in a week or so. Thank you very much. I wish you good day, good evening, and good morning. I know that you're from other different countries. Hope to see you soon. Good luck, and see you later on other webinars. Goodbye.